Think starting a YouTube channel is just for the younger crowd? Let me tell you, starting a YouTube channel after 40 isn't just possible, it's powerful. Your life experience, skills, and unique perspective are exactly what people are craving right now. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why starting today could be the best decision you've ever made. Let's address the elephant in the room. You might be thinking, isn't YouTube for kids and young creators? Nope. That's an outdated myth, and I'm here to bust it wide open. The truth is, people of all ages are thriving on YouTube, and creators over 40 have a massive advantage. Why? Because the audience isn't just kids anymore. Just think about it. There are millions of people out there, just like you, who are over 40 and looking for relatable, valuable, and inspiring content. And here's the kicker. They'd rather learn from someone who's lived through the challenges and triumphs of life, not someone still figuring things out. But maybe you're thinking, what do I even talk about? Here's the thing. Your life is full of expertise, stories, and skills that others are desperate to learn. Whether it's parenting, cooking, fitness, business, or even hobbies like gardening or crafting, you've got knowledge that can make a real difference in someone's life. The cost of waiting. Now, let's get real for a second. What happens if you don't start? Think about it. Every day you wait is another day you stay stuck, dreaming about the life you could be living instead of actually creating it. Do you want to keep feeling unfulfilled, knowing you're sitting on untapped potential? Or worse, keep watching others grow on YouTube thinking, that could have been me. The truth is, staying where you are has a cost. It costs you your dreams, your confidence, and the chance to create something meaningful, not just for yourself, but for your family, your legacy, and even the people you'll inspire. I know this fear because I felt it too. I used to wonder if I was too late, if anyone would care, or if I even had what it takes. But let me tell you, the only mistake I made was waiting as long as I did to start. And if you're feeling that way too, I want to tell you, it's not too late. You're not too old. In fact, you're perfectly positioned to succeed. The opportunity. Why after 40 is perfect. Here's why starting after 40 is a game changer. You have experience, whether it's professional skills, life lessons, or personal passions. You've got knowledge that can't be Googled. People are willing to pay attention and even pay money for that kind of insight. You bring depth. You're not here to follow trends or copy what's popular. Your content can stand out because it's based on real value and authenticity. You understand time management. Let's face it, juggling responsibilities is second nature at this point. You know how to prioritize, which means you can build a channel while still managing your life. You're inspiring. People over 40 want to see someone like them succeeding. You can be that person who shows them what's possible, and that creates a deep, loyal connection with your audience. You have the tools to succeed. Technology has made starting easier than ever. A smartphone, basic mic, and free editing software are all you need to create professional-looking videos. And let's not forget, the YouTube audience isn't just young anymore. Millions of viewers over 40 are searching for content they can relate to. That's your audience, waiting for you to show up. You're not too late. I know what you're thinking. What if I don't have the skills to create videos? Or what if I look silly on camera? I get it. Starting something new is always intimidating. But here's the thing. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Every creator you admire today, they all started with no clue what they were doing. The difference is they didn't let that stop them. Your first videos, they won't be perfect, and that's okay. Perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. Every video you make will teach you something, and you'll get better with time. And trust me, you will surprise yourself with how much you can grow. When I started, I felt awkward, scripted, and completely unsure of myself. But each time I uploaded, I gained confidence. And now, I'm not just creating videos, I'm creating a life I love. How to start today. Here's how you can take the first step today. Pick your niche. What do you love talking about? What are you great at? Write down 3 ideas and pick one to start with. Start simple. You don't need fancy equipment. A smartphone and a basic lapel mic will do the trick. Plan your first 3 videos. Keep them short and focused. Answer common questions or share a tip related to your niche. Commit to consistency. Set a goal to upload 1 video per week. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about showing up. Your second wind. Here's the bottom line. Starting a YouTube channel after 40 isn't just about creating videos. It's about creating the life you've always wanted. It's about proving to yourself that it's never too late to dream bigger, take risks, and build something extraordinary. Your second wind starts now. You've got everything you need to succeed. Experience, wisdom, and the courage to take that first step. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and let's build your dream life together.